Why not? Well, no, we have enough machetes, I feel like.
I think
Yes. As tempting as that is. See the bunnies?
bun buns.
And look, they have moose. Or no, elk. Reindeer. But what's the difference between an elk and a reindeer?
Geography?
Yes, yeah, that actually, yeah, I think you're right. That's technically the right answer. Holy cow, look at these. Look at this.
Pants? You need new pants, don't you?
I'm always ripping pants, yeah.
What size are you?
Like 36 usually, because I'm a 34, but, you know, I like to squeeze my Glock in between my belt and my body. Do you know what one thing... Do you know what one thing...
Okay, yeah,
I'm gonna tell my giraffe joke.
they have a trail of nice
Do you know what one thing giraffes have that no other animal in the world has?
Foot long neck bones?
Baby giraffe.
ground and it's gonna get all.
Yes, that too.
Sometimes I hate you.
Wow. That's aggressive. Stop looking at me, Swan.